Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download Apex Legends into your computer or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Before, you could go ahead and install Apex Legends on another platform, but in today's video, there is only one way on how you could go ahead and download Apex Legends, and that is by going through Steam. Just go ahead and open up your browser right here, and inside your browser you want to go ahead and search for Steam. Inside, just go ahead and open up their official website. Inside, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have a Steam account, and if don't, it's easy to register or create a new account inside Steam. After that, just go ahead and click on the install Steam button. You could just go ahead and see that beside your profile icon. You will be able to see this huge button, Install Steam. After clicking on this button right here, the file will automatically download to your computer. Just go ahead and install that file, and then you will have the Steam application. So just go ahead and open up their official application right here, and then you want to go ahead and search for Apex Legends. Now, Apex Legends is one of the most played games out there, so you could also go ahead and find that under the most played category. So I'll just go ahead and scroll down, and you will then be able to see Apex Legends right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and then you will be able to download and install Apex Legends in this homepage right here. Just go ahead and click on this button, and then that should be it. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.